Hey, what's up, traders? Mike here with the watch list video for Tuesday. This is my reminder that the market is closed on Monday the 19th. So Tuesday, June 20th will be the next trading day. This red candle was Friday's trading for the SPY. Um, it was a summer Friday before a 3-day weekend and quad witching. So the day had about as much action as you might think, which was next to nothing. I think my best idea was in GREE, which is a recent high flyer, popped Wednesday, then quiet day on Thursday, and I'll fast forward to 5-minute candles here on Friday, and I probably looked something like this, somewhere around here when I called. I gave the idea in chat. GREE over high of day might get some momentum because it's a recent high flyer and all blah blah blah, right? Which was over this high, which was 264. So 265 was the idea. It broke there, went up to, I don't know, 280 something, maybe 290, came back down. So, I mean, it wasn't easy. Even after it broke, it chopped around for a while. But the logical stop would be down here below the recent lows. So it would have held if you traded it well. And it went up to, I think, 320 at one point. So from 265 to 320 is a nice percentage gain, but nothing came easy. It felt like nobody was trading on Friday, honestly. So that's really the only highlight. Let's go into what we're watching for Tuesday. I almost said Monday. ENVX. It's a weird looking candle, right? This kind of tail and then back up, and it actually did that. Here's 5-minute candles. Gapped up, sold off, and ended up going out back near the highs. So certainly over this area where the horizontal line is kind of a breakout on the daily chart and a nice recovery intraday. So anyway, it's going to be on a chart. You guys know I'm a day trader. Don't hold anything overnight. So these might give me a trade on Tuesday. ZURA, I kind of had as a sleeper pick going into Friday on the list. It was in Thursday night's video, but I never did anything with it. It actually had a decent little move from, let's see, the low 809 to 975. That's a nice little move. So I'm going to keep it on watch again, but I never took a trade in it. I already talked about GREE, GREE. It's holding up pretty well, so we're going to watch that. I'm putting play, PLAY, back on bounce watch because it did not give a bounce play entry on Friday, so we'll watch it again on Tuesday. GME, GameStop, kind of obscure, but after the gap down on earnings, it had quite the run and actually took out recent highs. Now you got 3 days lower on declining volume back into the 8-day. So I am actually going to treat this as a potential bounce play on Tuesday, sorry. XMTR had this nice little mini breakout here, and now you got, 4 days in a row where it's flagging. Lower volume stock didn't even trade 1 million shares on Friday, but I am going to treat that also like a bounce play. NNOX, this falls into the category of recent high flyer. It's found some support. It's chopping around sideways right now, so it's not really near a breakout point. But when you go to 15-minute candles, it had a nice spike on news right here in the middle of the day on Friday. And then I looked and thought, okay, well, Friday's high was 1958. So if it gets back through 1950, it could easily take out Friday's high 1958. And then Thursday's high is not far above at 1970. And then you had another recent high right there at $20 even. So we do have a stacked catalyst scenario, potential stacked catalyst on a recent high flyer. And I think there's a lot of shorts in the name. And I want to say maybe even last week, some house came out with a short report on it and it didn't roll over, so you might have some new shorts in it that could be in trouble if it rallies too. So for those reasons, and I'm a day trader, I'm definitely going to have it on a chart. CVAC, nice pop back here to maybe 11. Yeah, topped at exactly 11, then put in a lower high, little volume on Friday. So over this area, maybe gives us a trade. We're going to keep that one on watch. BALL, just a huge day on Friday. We'll see if we get a continuation day on Tuesday. CIFR on watch. I believe this is Bitcoin, by the way, as is GREE that's on the list. And Bitcoin had a decent little pop intraday on Friday. So anyway, that daily chart might be worth watching. Let me pan out a little bit for you. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look bad, right? You can almost picture an inverse head and shoulders over the course of about a year, though, or maybe even more. But nice volume on Friday, so we'll watch kind of all the Bitcoin-related plays. OCFT had a nice pop. This would have been, Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's kind of flagging. Let me see what Tuesday's high was, $6 even. So super interesting over $6 on the daily chart. Then lastly, I'm going to put MGOL on watch. I don't know why it scoots it all to the left like that, but nice volume a couple weeks ago and really just flagging ever since. This is the one with Messi going to Miami, and that's what popped this stock. So maybe we get another second wave. We'll see. That's it. We'll add gappers in the pre-market on Tuesday. Enjoy your 3-day weekend, everyone, and I'll see everybody in chat.